Welcome to Galactic Secrets. Today, we explore one of the most fascinating and controversial theories in human history. Did aliens help build the pyramids? Prepare yourself for an exciting journey into the past and beyond. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode, and share this video with your friends and family as we unravel one of the universe's greatest mysteries. Part 1. A closer look at the pyramid's structure and layout. Before we dive into extraterrestrial theories, we first need to understand the awe-inspiring aspects of the pyramid's construction. The Great Pyramid of Giza alone is constructed from 2.3 million blocks of stone, each weighing between 2 to 80 tons. That's more than 6 million tons of material. If you were to build the Great Pyramid today, it would take you around 23 years, even with modern cranes, trucks, and computers. Yet, ancient Egyptians accomplished this in around 20 years using methods that, according to mainstream historians, consisted of primitive tools made of copper and stone. But the pyramids aren't just about size. Their mathematical precision is mind-blowing. The Great Pyramid is perfectly aligned to true north, with an error of only 3/60ths of a degree. It also incorporates mathematical constants like pi and the golden ratio, numbers we associate with advanced geometry. Was this just a coincidence? Or was this knowledge gifted to the Egyptians by an advanced, possibly extraterrestrial, civilization? Then there's the layout of the pyramids. If we look from a bird's eye view, the three main pyramids of Giza are aligned in a precise configuration that mirrors the stars in Orion's belt. This celestial alignment suggests that the builders had an exceptional knowledge of astronomy. But why align them in this way? Could this be evidence of an otherworldly connection between the pyramids and the stars? Part 2. Theories of alien technology. Did advanced civilizations help? One of the more compelling questions is, how did they lift these enormous stone blocks? Ancient astronaut theorists suggest that perhaps the Egyptians had access to anti-gravity technology or other advanced machinery provided by extraterrestrials. This technology could have allowed them to move and position these massive stones with precision that even modern engineers marvel at today. Other alternative theories speculate about the possible use of sound waves or vibrational frequencies to lift heavy objects. This idea comes from studies suggesting that high-intensity vibrations could reduce the gravitational pull on objects, making them easier to move. Could extraterrestrials have taught the Egyptians how to harness this advanced technique, or perhaps even used it themselves? Another theory suggests that the pyramids were not built as tombs for the pharaohs, as is commonly believed, but as energy-generating devices. Some researchers propose that the shape and layout of the pyramids, along with materials used, could have been designed to capture and channel electromagnetic energy from the Earth. According to this theory, the pyramids were ancient power plants, possibly used by extraterrestrials for their own purposes. This idea is supported by researchers who argue that certain pyramids around the world are located on specific geodetic points, or places where energy converges, enhancing their ability to conduct energy. Part 3. Legends of the sky gods and ancient astronauts. Moving from engineering to ancient myth, Egypt's vast library of mythological stories holds clues that may support the idea of extraterrestrial involvement. One of the most intriguing is the legend of Thoth, the Egyptian god of wisdom and technology, often depicted as arriving from the stars. Thoth was said to have brought knowledge of the universe, including the stars and advanced technologies, to the people of Egypt. Some believe that Thoth wasn't just a god in a symbolic sense, but could have been an advanced being, possibly extraterrestrial, who shared his advanced knowledge with humanity. Ancient Egypt's texts also describe mysterious gods, or beings from the stars, who came to Earth and taught the Egyptians. They were often described as having elongated heads, which eerily match some depictions of alien beings. Could these stories actually be records of real extraterrestrial encounters? Ancient astronaut theorists argue that many of these so-called gods might have been extraterrestrials who helped guide human development. One particularly fascinating theory links these sky gods to the Orion constellation. The ancient Egyptians believed that their pharaohs became stars in the constellation of Orion after death, which they associated with the god Osiris. This belief, combined with the pyramid's alignment to Orion's belt, raises the question: Could the Egyptians have been trying to communicate with or honor extraterrestrial visitors from this star system? Part 4. Worldwide pyramid structures and their connection to the stars. The theory of alien involvement becomes even more intriguing when we look beyond Egypt. The idea of pyramids isn't limited to the Giza Plateau. Pyramids have been discovered all around the world, from the Americas to Asia. The Mesoamerican pyramids, such as those built by the Maya and Aztecs, are often aligned with celestial events like the equinoxes, and some theorists believe that, just like the Egyptian pyramids, they were influenced by extraterrestrials. For instance, the Pyramid of the Sun in Mexico's ancient city of Teotihuacan bears striking similarities to the Great Pyramid in terms of its size, astronomical alignment, and potential use as an energy hub. Could this global phenomenon of pyramid building be evidence of a shared, extraterrestrial influence? In addition to pyramids, other ancient monuments around the world, such as Stonehenge and the Nazca Lines, show precise astronomical alignments and patterns that suggest an advanced knowledge of the cosmos. The fact that these structures are spread across continents and cultures has led some theorists to believe that ancient peoples around the globe may have been in contact with the same advanced beings, possibly extraterrestrial. Part 5. Mysterious artifacts and lost technology. Further supporting the theory of alien involvement are the strange artifacts and unexplained technologies found in Egypt. The Dendera light carving, which some say resembles an electric bulb, has fueled speculation that ancient Egyptians had access to advanced energy technologies, possibly shared with them by extraterrestrial visitors. Additionally, there is the puzzling Saqqara bird, a small wooden artifact found in an Egyptian tomb. Some researchers believe it may have been a model for an ancient glider, suggesting that the Egyptians experimented with flight or were inspired by flying objects, possibly UFOs. But the mystery doesn't stop there. Archaeologists have found granite artifacts with cuts so precise that modern engineers admit they would have difficulty reproducing them even with today's tools. How could an ancient civilization achieve such precision without advanced technology? These anomalies raise a bigger question. Did the ancient Egyptians develop these technologies on their own, or were they reverse engineering devices left behind by extraterrestrial visitors? Part 6. Alternative perspectives and the skeptic's view. Of course, not all scholars agree with these alien theories. Mainstream Egyptologists argue that the Egyptians were brilliant engineers and that the pyramids were built using nothing more than human ingenuity, clever engineering, and hard work. The idea of extraterrestrial involvement, they say, undermines the achievements of this remarkable civilization. But alternative theorists argue that the precision of the pyramids, their alignment with celestial bodies, and the sheer size of the structures are too advanced for the tools available to the Egyptians at the time. While no definitive proof of alien involvement has been found, the unanswered questions continue to fuel the debate. Part 7. Could the pyramids be part of a larger cosmic plan? In conclusion, whether you believe the pyramids were built by human hands alone or with help from extraterrestrial beings, one thing is certain. They remain one of the most mysterious and impressive feats in human history. The fact that similar structures exist worldwide, and their deep connection to the stars, opens up the possibility that we may not be alone in the universe, and that our ancestors might have had encounters with beings from other worlds. Could the pyramids have served as a form of communication, a marker, or a power source for extraterrestrial visitors? Could they hold the key to understanding our place in the cosmos? Outro. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time and space. If you enjoyed this exploration into the mysteries of the pyramids, be sure to subscribe to Galactic Secrets, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode, and share this video with your friends and family. Who knows? Together, we might just unlock the secrets of the universe.